In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your rear ABS wheel speed sensor. This one is located in the rear of the vehicle, behind the wheel. Let's get started. To remove the wheels, we're going to be using a 19mm socket. Make sure you put your lug nuts somewhere that you're not going to kick them around and lose them. Now remove the wheel. We'll remove the bolt, holding the sensor to the knuckle with a 10mm. If the sensor doesn't pull out, you can use a flathead to pry on it, but just be careful not to damage anything. Now we'll go along and remove each of the clips along the control arm up to the chassis. If you have a clip tool, use that. If not, a set of side cutters works. Now we can move to the interior and unplug the connector. Moving to the interior of the vehicle, we're going to remove the weather mat in the back. This simply pulls out and we can set it off to the side. Next we have the trunk carpet. We can fold up either side and pull up towards the front. And we can set that off to the side. Once we have the mat and the carpet up, we'll find the connector on the left side of the vehicle here. You can come in, press the tab down, and pull the connector out. Start by pushing the grommet from the edge and down. Feed the wire through. And we can remove our wheel speed sensor. To install our wheel speed sensor, it's simply the reverse of removing the old one. Put the connector up through the hole and make sure it's installed in the same orientation that it came out. You can feed one edge of the grommet in and then work it around. We can start installing our clips as we work down the line. Make sure you install the clips in the same orientation as before. It can help to take a picture or a video of them as you go along. We're just going to put a little bit of anti-seize on each of the tabs sticking out at the top. This will make it easier if we ever need to remove this again. Just be careful not to get any anti-seize on the sensor itself. Install the sensor in the same orientation as the old one. And the 10mm bolt. We'll snug this down. Be cautious not to over tighten it. If you do have a small enough torque wrench, it gets torqued to 4.7 foot-pounds. Now we can plug our connector in. Make sure you hear the click. We'll reinstall the trunk carpet. Simply press down to put the connectors in. We'll reinstall our weather mat. Now reinstall the wheel. Line up the lug studs with the holes in the wheel. Support the bottom of the wheel to the hub. Fully install one lug nut. And that'll hold the wheel on for you to put the rest in. Snug the lug nuts down, but don't over tighten them because you're going to want to be able to torque them later. And now we're going to torque the lugs down to 89 foot-pounds. Make sure you're going in a star pattern to bring everything down evenly. If you have any lights on the dash, check your connections. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.